Hey guys, you guys might be wondering why we're out here in the garage. Well, that's because it's been a while since I've done a video of this. Yep, the garage door. So, here's the Chamberlain MyQ, which it's been a while since you've seen. If you've been watching my videos for a while, for a year and a half, then you know exactly what I mean. So it says Chamberlain MyQ and Wi-Fi. And then this here is the keypad remote for it. As you can see, if the camera can focus. Hold on. I don't know why it's not focusing. Oh, there we go. Now it's focusing. Alright. So it says learn, lock, and light. So, alright. Demonstrate the light for you guys, in case you don't know how it works. So when I press this, the light turns on. And when I press this again, the light turns off. Alright. So that's the keypad. Oh, by the way, that's the light, and then this opens and closes. So now, let's open this. So, here we go. Alright, so now the garage is open. Then right here is a sensor, which if you walk through it, it turns the light on if it's off. And then here's another sensor right here. It's a little bit cold out, so. And then here's the railings, the wheels, and yeah. And then this is the keypad. As you can see. Yep. Alright. That's just the actual garage door light. Alright. Well, there isn't really that much to see, but this is how the garage door system works, for if you guys hadn't seen it before. So, alright, now we'll close up the garage. So, here we go. And yes, we still have our patio stuff right there, because it's not spring yet. So, just in case you guys were wondering what those are, right there. Made a video there one time. So, alright, so yeah, that's your garage door system. It's been over a year since we've had this as well. So, oh man, it is cold in here. Well, alright, turn off the light. Well, anyways guys, that's it. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and that'll be it.